All right, ladies and gentlemen, the party is about to start right now.
Tradermatic, making trading fun, easy, and profitable. Visit www.tradermatic.net to get your copy at 80% discount today.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your friend, the Forex Apostle, coming to you from Dallas, Texas. How are we doing today? If you can hear my voice very well and you can see my face, do me a favor, type 1 on the chat window. If you can see my voice, you can see my face, you can hear my voice, go ahead, type 1 on the chat window. This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, talking to you from Dallas, Texas. You guys are welcome. Let me see who is here. Temitayo is here. Adeniyi, Elijah, my man, how are you doing? I see Kingsley. I see Adeyemi, Adeshino. I was just being told that you couldn't log into Tradermatic site. It might be your IP or it might be your email address, but we will take a look as soon as this training is over. Dr. Israel, you are welcome. Now, if you guys are watching us on YouTube, you can just leave your name and where you are connected with us also on the comment window. And if you are watching this on Facebook, also you are welcome. Type in your name. Today's training is supposed to be very, very fast, very, very fast. We're just going to be going into how we trap. Yeah, TJ Suneme. I like that name, man. We are welcome. Good to see you, bro. Okay, guys, so let's get the party rolling. How many of us were here yesterday? You were here yesterday. Go ahead and type, yes, I was there. Yes, I was there. And of course, okay, I came from Nigeria. Good to see you. Omoshola from Lagos. Peter. Yes, I was there. Okay, good. So that we are all at the same page. You remember very well yesterday, we lay a plan, okay? That, okay, this is how we go. And of course, you were there when I funded the account with $1,000. So what we're just going to do now is, if you too, you have taken the step and you are to start this $1 million journey with me, then you can also do yourself a huge favor by tracking your progress, okay? Tracking your progress. But before we get to that, let me ask a quick question. Let's just say, let's play a game. Let's play a game here. Because I've seen many people when they're asking questions that, okay, so which one will you prefer? Okay, which one? You choose one out of ROI, okay? The ROI and the winning rate. Let's start from there. If you are watching this, I want to assume that you understand what ROI means. For example, you have $1,000 and you grow that $1,000 to 1,100. So that is 10%, okay? That is 10% return on this money, okay? The $100 is 10% of this. But the winning rate is, let's say you place 10 trades. Out of 10 trades, if you have 8 wins, if you have 8 wins and 2 losses, so this would be equals to 80% winning rate. This will be equals to 80% winning rate. So my question now is that, I mean, it's just to start this, I didn't even plan this. So my question now is that which one will you prefer to have, you know, the profitable return on investment or profitable winning, or which one are you more concerned about, ROI or winning rate? Because I see many people, what is the winning rate? What is the winning rate? You know, hardly do people really ask about ROI. So I just want to really know your stand here. Let's see. Okay, my guy says Chukwunozo, ROI, Akitunde. Essie says I prefer winning rate. Okay. Kingsley says winning rate. Omoshola says winning rate. Temitayo says both. I like you. I like you. You are my guy. You know, both ROI and winning rate. Dr. ROI, winning rate. Okay. Winning rate, both. Okay. Rotex, yeah, you are my guy also. I love these guys that they love both winning rate and ROI. Okay. Of course, you don't want to joke with your ROI. The return on your investment, you invest $1,000. You don't want this to go to 900, to go to 800, to go to 700, to finally go to zero. you don't want that. Okay, you want your 1,000. You know, the 1,000 to go to 1,001, to go to 1,001. 1,002. Of course, our goal is to finally get to 1 million. That is the goal. But you need to understand that it's not going to be a straight line. Success is not a straight line. It will go up, it will come back, it will go up. Okay, it will come back, it will go up. But as long as the slope, okay, is increasing, it will go up, it will come down, it will go up. Success is not a straight line. I wish it's a straight line. Success is not a straight line. So some you will win, you will lose. But now let me come back to the winning rate. And let me see. I think SA says winning rate. Who again says winning rate? Let me see. Dr. Israel say both. Winning, ROI, Karim. Lehu says winning rate again. Amon, the name was Scott Amon. Winning rate, TJ. Okay, so let me explain what the winning rate. I also support winning rate, but at the same time, I want you guys to know that it shouldn't be the top. And I will explain like this. So let's say this is A. Okay, follow me. This is A and this is B. So two of them placed 10 trades. Two of them placed 10 trades. I didn't actually plan this, but it just came, and that is what is called, that is why it's good to be a coach. It just came, and I'm giving it that to you guys like that, raw. So this guy placed 10 trades, this guy placed 10 trades. This guy lost 6 trades, okay, 6 losses. And this guy has 4 wins. Now, these 10 trades, okay, these 10 trades, this guy won all the 10 wins and 0 losses. Who make most profit? I just love this game today. Who make most profit? Who has the highest or the higher return ROI? Okay, let's see. I love this game today. B, somebody say B, okay. B, okay. I'm waiting for some of my guys. Doctor, which one? Depends on pips. Karim, I owe you something. Femi, B, it depends on return. Doctor, I owe you something. Good. Obviously, B, So Dr. Okata and Karim, it depends on Pips. Aketunde also, you join them. Elijah, you quickly join them. Okay. Okay. You know, guys, you need to understand that, I mean, winning is good. Okay, it's good to win, but you need to see the bigger picture. It depends on how many Pips we are talking about here. And in this case, to make it easier for us, it depends on how many dollar sign we are talking about. Now, the 6 losses here, because you can place a trade, okay, you can place a trade and you have your stop loss very tight. So, and of course, you are a very, very, very conservative person. You don't waste time cutting your loss. So these 6 losses, this guy, as I said, 2 of them placed 10 trades. So the 6 losses, this guy lost, let's say, $10, another lost $5, another loss. Let's say 2 of them have a $1,000. Okay, let's play with 1,000. So another $20, another 30. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another, let's say $50, and another $10. So the total loss, this guy loss is 10 plus 5, 15, 50, 65, 65 plus 10, 75 plus 50. That would be 75 plus 50. That's $125 that this guy lost. But the 4 wins, it made, there's one that he made $200. Another one he made $40. In fact, there's another one he made $120. And there's another one he made $60. So now here we have 40 plus 60, 100 plus 120, 220 plus 400. That will be how much? That will be 420. So when you look at it, subtract the profit here. The profit will be equals to 420 minus 125. Honestly, I didn't plan this, but I just feel I should share this concept because I have some questions in this area. So 420 minus 125, who is calculating that for us? Let's see. Where's my calculator? 420 minus 125. So this guy made $295 on top of that 1,000. But this guy that have 10 wins, the first trade, he makes $5. Second one, he makes 10. This $3, he made $2, then $5, $10, $1, $9, $20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another $2, another $8. So somebody should add that for us. So this is 15, 17, 22, 32, 33, 42, 62, 64, 64 plus 8, like 70, 64 plus 8, like $72. Like $72. So from the 2 illustrations, you can see that this guy actually has more profit, even though he lost more, but he actually has more profit than this guy. So when we're talking about, winning rate or whatever, yeah, it's very good, especially when you are dealing with like maybe robots, EA, artificial intelligence. Yes, you are more concerned about that. But to be honest with you, when it comes to a system, when it comes to your strategy, you should focus more on your percentage return on your investment than the winning, because it's not just about, okay, let me say I win, but how much am I banking? Does this make sense to us? Let me hear your comment. Does this make sense to us? It depends on the absolute figure. Johan, depends on how much. Does this make sense to us, guys? Okay, awesome, awesome. So that's, I guess that just kind of introduce us to today. So it makes sense. Thank you. So now we want to go into how we track our progress, because if you are trading and you want to embark on this journey, either you are participating in this $1 million challenge or not, it is also good for you as a trader to always trade, always track your progress. That is how you will know, how you are performing. So in order to do that, there are different programs online. Some people use my FXBlue, but I prefer and I use FXBlue. So in order for you to do that, so let's go to FXBlue. So I'm going to go to my website and I will type in www.fxblue.com. So once we are there, so we are in FXBlue. This is where you can use this to track even expert advisor, artificial intelligence, a strategy, a system, competitions, and so on and so forth. But in this case now, we are just going to be using it to track what we're doing. So I will go to FXBlue Live. You click on FXBlue Live, okay, fxblue.com. Then you click on FXBlue Live. If you already have an account, you log in. But in this case, I want to assume that you don't have an account yet. So you will click on Register, Order MT4. Okay, under MT4, you click on Register. Then I want to register this account that we created yesterday. If you guys remember, this was the account we created yesterday. As you can see, I decided not to trade today. I just took today off, even though the market has not been so sweet today, but I could still have scalped the market. I mean, some of you know me, I could still have at least banked some dollars, but I just decided to take today off. So, because we are starting on a clean plate tomorrow. So this is the account, and the account number, as you can see, is 179455. That is the account that we are dealing with. That's the account we are dealing with, 179455, 179455. So, and the broker I'm using, just as we created yesterday, I'm using FX Choice. So you will look for your server, FX Choice. FX Choice. If you are not using FX Choice, just look for your broker. You will, most of them will be there. So FX Choice. Okay, so FX Choice. If you are using demo, you will pick demo. If you are using live, you pick live. So in this case, I'm using FX Choice Classic Live. So that is the number, the server. Sorry, that's the server, and the account number is one. Let me write it down. That will be 179455. 179455. So the account number is 179455. Then you will go ahead and enter your password. Okay, you enter your password. So that's my password, and you go ahead and enter your email address. So I'm going to enter new email address actually here, the forexapostle@gmail.com. That's the new that is the new email address I want to use. Then you click on register. So once you click on that, as you can see, it will give you this link. So this link is shareable. Anybody can see the link. So I'm going to be using that link as we go along. So this is the link now that you're going to be tracking. So every one of us that are going to be participating in this challenge, we expect you to have your own link like this. You are going to post it to that Telegram group, and one of my assistants, Flex, will help us collate everything. So if it is 20 people, if it is 30, if it is 50, if it is 10, we're going to collate it like that. And that is the link that we'll be tracking to see the progress, how we are going. Okay, so after you finish this step, you go to your email. You see, please verify your email address. So I'm going to go to my email and verify. I'm going to stop sharing first. Let me look for that email. Let me log in. Sometimes there has been some kind of a delay in Gmail today. I don't know if you guys experience it. There has been some delay in all their emails getting in. So right now we don't have it yet, but we'll be waiting. Then we will confirm it. But the step is very simple. Once you receive the email, which password is it? Doctor, you can use your investor password or you can use your trader's password. I use either of the two. Once you put the password, it will. Most people sometimes they'll ask for your investor password. Okay, I see. Please don't forget the 7,500 cash gift today. Yes, I will not forget. Please just keep reminding me. We're going to get that done today. We'll get that done today. I promise. I promise. So, doctor, you get that right. So you can use either your investor's password or you can use your broker's password. Okay, I'm still waiting for the email to arrive, but sometimes it takes time. Once it's today, I just noticed that Gmail has been very, very slow in delivering their emails today. I've created about 2 videos today that I observed the same thing. Okay, while we're waiting for that, if you have questions, feel free to type in your questions. I'm going to be bringing you guys in. Please, if you have background noise, make sure that you disable your sound. Now, after you receive the email, we're still getting delayed to get that email. So after you get the email from FXBlue, you will click on the link, you will confirm the email. And once you confirm it, then I don't know about international traders, but I know for me in US, it will also want me to verify with my phone number. So you just go through the verification. Once you are done, it's very simple, very, very simple. Then you synchronize. I just pray that it gets us there today. Then we'll continue. Okay, let's see. What does it take to open a Forex account? That is not for this class. To open a Forex account, there are a lot of trainings that I've done on that. Please go to my channel. You will see that, or you sign up for the 21 days masterclass. We went through that step. Okay, can we go through the FXBlue again, sir? Well, it depends on what you want to go through, but let's see what we're going to do there. That is why whenever we're doing training, you guys should show up early. You guys should show up early. When you show up early, then we get things done earlier. We're still waiting for the email to arrive. Okay. While we are waiting for that, let's try and pick our winner for the palliative cash gift for this week. Give me 1 minute. Let's see. We have for last week, please give me a minute. Let me log into my YouTube channel. All right, gotta verify my login. Gotta put these security things in place to make okay, right. So let's see. Share. Okay, so this is my channel. You go to your channel. So last week videos that we created, as you can see, this is the one we are doing right now. It's live. We have the 1K, we have this, we have this. So the one that actually have the highest number of view I can see is this. We see 261. What's last week Monday is what? Last week Monday is 22nd. Let's see videos. All right, guys, 22nd. 6 days ago, COVID-19, 95, I think it's this one. It's this one on the 27th. Yeah, so this is this one. So we have, yeah, it's this one. So we have 8 comments. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pick this link right now. And let's head out to our randomizer here. Okay, so this is the randomizer I use. So we're going to paste it here. So once I paste, drum roll, guys, ladies and gentlemen, let's pick the winner together. So, wow, Olushola Oladosu. That is the winner for our cash gift for this week. So Olushola Oladosu, you won 7,500 Naira. So you know how to claim it. You need to get in touch with me on WhatsApp. And after you receive your cash, just for people to know that we are not faking this, you are going to give us up to 30 seconds video testimonial just to show that, okay, you received the cash. We cannot issue everybody's check. The little we can do is we empower you, we mentor you, we teach you, we give you tools, we give you skills that you need. You know, I believe that, you know, someone says 2 sets, you know, 2 sets plus skill set, plus mindset, right mindset equals success, okay? So you have right tools, you have right skills, and you have right mindset. Then there's no way you will succeed in life. So Olushola Oladosu, congratulations. And thank you for leaving your comment, for subscribing. And you guys know we are not joking. We're going to do this for 20 weeks. The little we can do, we can't change the world, but at least one person will make an impact. All right, so let's continue. So I think I have the email. So this is the email right now. So you can see the way the email came. So it says email verification. So you will click on this where it says verify. So once you click on that, so it wants to know that I'm human being. So I'm going to enter my name, Emmanuel Adegbola. Then I'm going to put in my number, 214-440-6099. Please don't call me. You can message me on WhatsApp, but please don't call me, don't text me, okay? So now, send SMS. So I'm going to receive the SMS. So once I get the SMS, I don't know about international, as I said, but I know with US, you will have to go through this. So you can see the text message. So you click on that link, FXBlue verification. Please send an email to, so I have this that they gave to me. So I'll copy, I'm going to send the email on my phone to make it easy for me. So I'm just going to go to the Forex Apostle. I'm going to compose the email and I'm going to send to that number, to that. They will give you that address. It's very easy. It's a very easy step. Just say verify. Verify. So I'm going to send. So I send the email with my phone. So let's see what's going to happen over here. So once you send the email and they receive it, they will automatically authenticate you. So let's see what's going to happen here. So once that goes through, you can see. So once that gets through, it says, thank you, your details have been successfully verified. So continue. So this is it. So you are now back here. So you can view the account. This is it here, 179455, view account. This is it. Now, for you to make sure that you synchronize, I think that's the word, to synchronize all your trades. So you can click on account sync. The sync has not been able to log into your account. So you just click on account sync. And the same thing, of course, I've not started trading there. So you just click on update. And that will automatically be updating your account as you go along. So that is just very easy. It's as easy as that. So let's see. The same thing. Let me enter the password again. Don't know why it's not. All right, save changes. All right, still showing failed. Yeah, so that is it. So now we have the, you're going to have this. So I'm going to post this. I'll be the number one. Post this to our Telegram. And if you are following us to do this, you also do your own like that and post it. And so as you go along, you will discover that it's going to show you, okay, how you are progressing. Okay, any question, guys? Any question? Type in your question. If you have question, go ahead, type in your questions. If you have question, type in your questions. Let's see. If you have question, type in your question. I want to see if I can grab. All right. If you have question, type in your question, guys. Yeah. Okay, let me see. What's the question? Can you please show us how to fund FX choice? Can you please show us how to fund? Now, to fund FX choice, that's going to be a different training on its own, but let's quickly see how we go through that. Now, what to do, you must have FX choice account. If you don't have FX choice account, you have to create one. Okay, you have to create one. If you don't have, I'm in US, so I can use FX choice. And of course, I believe FX choice take from many countries. So to fund your FX choice, you first of all log into your account, which I'm going to do. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, can you guys see my screen? Can you see my screen, right? Oh, all right. Okay, good. So you log into your account. Log into my account. Let me put my two-step verification. We got to put all the security things in place. 3. Oops, that's changed. Oh, all right. So once you log into FX choice, you look for the account you want to fund. So let's assume that I want to fund this account. So you click on this account. FX choice, you can create up to 15 accounts, up to 15. I just chatted with them yesterday actually to verify that. So you right here, you see deposit. So you click on deposit. Then you can use Bitcoin. That is the fastest one. Then they used to do bank transfer with US, but they stopped it, I think, about last 2 years. So you have to verify with them if your country, if they allow that. You can also use any of all these coin, but the fastest way that I've been using for the past 3-4 years kind of is actually Bitcoin. So you deposit in Bitcoin. So you click on deposit in Bitcoin. So what you're going to do is you put in the amount you want to deposit right here. Okay, there's actually a training that I did. I think I will look for the video, especially for those in my mentoring group. You will get that video. I will look for it so that you'll be able to see the whole, how to transit from demo to live. But as I said, if you don't have live account and you have not funded your live account and you don't even have the $1,000 to fund a live account, you can do demo for this challenge. Along the line, if you are now confident of what you are doing, you can transit from demo to live, okay? It's just a way to make us accountable to each other and for each other. So let's assume I want to credit this with 1 Bitcoin. So when you put 1 there, it's going to give you the amount that you are depositing right here in dollars. So once you do that, so let's say, okay, I want to credit this now with 0.1 Bitcoin will give me $916. Let's say 0.01 will give me $92. 0.02 will give me $183. So let's say I want to credit this account now with $183. Okay, just an example. So you now click on this, you check, then you click on submit. So once you click on submit, you see it's going to give you the total value, then you confirm. So once you confirm, it's going to give you this wallet address. So you copy this wallet address. Once you copy that, then you head over, you go to your FX choice, your Coinbase or whatever wallet you are using. I use Coinbase. So you go to coinbase.com. If you are using Exodus, the same thing. You just go to, if you are using Exodus, you just go to Exodus. If you are using Exodus, you go to Exodus, you just turn on, where's my Exodus here? You just turn on your Exodus, which also is a web Bitcoin wallet. So you just run your wallet. So once you run your wallet, you enter the address and it's just continue like that. So let's continue. So now we are in Coinbase. So I'm going to go to Bitcoin. Okay, now this time around you want to send. So remember the address we copy, you paste it here. This is the address. How much I want to send. So based on what you have there, you can type, or if you want to send all the balance you have in your Bitcoin, you just click on send all. Now, I like to put a memo. So like this one, I will say send to FX choice so that I will know that, okay, by the time I'm doing my quarterly or monthly or end of the year account, I know that this is what I am, this particular amount goes to FX choice. Then you will click on send. Now, if you are using Coinbase, Coinbase introduced a security strategy last month. So once you click on send now, Coinbase is going to hold that transaction for another 72 hours. They just started that, not quite long. So after 72 hours, then they will release the Bitcoin. Then, of course, FX Choice will get whatever you credit it with, and that is just how to do it. Okay? Does that make sense? How do we download FX Choice app platform? Well, to download FX Choice app is very easy. All these are questions. Most of the questions I can easily answer when we are together. You can download FX Choice on app by logging into your MT4 on your phone. And if you want to download on your desktop, go to their website and download. There are training on those that I've created. So sign up for the masterclass. Free is free. Okay, Esther, what will happen if I decide to switch from demo to live account along the line during this challenge? I mean, there's nothing that will happen. You just be accountable to the time that you start. Remember, it's a 5 years journey. So let's say you demo trade now for the next 3 months, and you now decide to transit to live account. So you create a new tracking from FXBlue, you create a new tracking URL and you submit, and we begin to also follow you. We're just trying to make you accountable to us, and why we are also accountable to you. So we are all accountability partners to one another. Okay, any other questions? Let me see you guys here. Once again, if you have background in your area, just make sure you mute your line. Mute your line if you have noise. If you have noise, mute your line. If you have noise, mute your sound. Okay. Yeah, if you have questions, please go ahead, type in your questions, and let's see.
Question, sir.
Mr. Niyi, go ahead.
All right. With the Coinbase, so when sending, when you're doing wire transfer into Coinbase, do you do as cash or as what's it called?
When you are you're talking about when you are buying Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yeah.
Okay, to buy Bitcoin in Coinbase, you can use either your bank account or you use your debit card. You can't use a credit card. And I think when you are withdrawing, you can withdraw to your bank account. You can withdraw to your bank account, or you can withdraw to PayPal. Okay, for example, like today, I just initiated a withdrawal. In fact, I created a video, a withdrawal of 22,000 in my account, and of course, that money will not get to my account until, let's say, like tomorrow or next. So after that, then I will now sell it. You will now sell the Bitcoin to dollars. I mean, and that actually take us there. If you are on this presentation and you don't have a Bitcoin, or you don't believe in Bitcoin, then you have not started at all, because the time is coming. If you look at everything that is happening right now, you can see that everything is migrating towards cryptocurrency. A time is coming that one Bitcoin, in fact, you won't even be able to afford to buy one Bitcoin. So I don't know if I answer your question. You can buy with a debit card, you can buy with bank account. Now, if you are buying with your bank account, for example, let me share my screen to show you what I mean. If I want to buy, this is my Coinbase. If I want to buy, let's go back to home. If I want to buy Bitcoin now, I'll go to trade. Okay, once I go to trade, when you are just starting, if you just create Coinbase account, they're going to limit your debit card transaction to, I think, about $400 or $500. Then if you are using bank account, that is, you connect to your checking account, you can have, I think, a weekly limit up to like $25,000. But when you buy Bitcoin with your checking account, it's going to take almost a week for you to even have access to that Bitcoin. Okay, I don't know if they have changed it, because I've not bought Bitcoin with a direct checking account for a while. So I rather use my card. So for example, now if I click on this card, now I have this account attached. As you can see, with this I can buy up to 25,000. With this I can buy up to 6,000. So if I want to buy, let's say using my Navy Federal account now, I just put in the amount of Bitcoin I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin worth of $2,000, which actually I want to buy. I didn't even plan to do that. I just discovered I actually need the Bitcoin. So I'm just going to click on preview now. So now you can see, let me show you this transaction. You can see what happened here. You see Coinbase fee, $76.74. So this, now you guys that sometimes somebody call you, oh, Niyi, can you help me fund my FX Choice account? I need Bitcoin, this and that. I need Bitcoin of $500. And the person just sent you $500. you need to understand that at the end of the day, you will be at loss on this transaction. Because when you buy Bitcoin, the $500, you are not going to get direct $500 Bitcoin here. There will be Coinbase fee. Then when you are transferring the Bitcoin again to that person, okay, there will be another deduction. So it depends on how much Bitcoin you are dealing with here. You need to understand this and put that into consideration whenever you are doing that for third party. Okay, so when I click on buy now, take a look. So it's authorizing it, okay? Now, you just wait. You can see now we have it right there. So this is a transaction. Now, if this is, I just bought the $2,000 Bitcoin now. Now, if this was checking account that I used, this Bitcoin will not be available immediately. Now, if I want to now transfer this money now to, let's say, from that first question that somebody asked to FX Choice, all I just need to do is transfer it immediately. But Coinbase will hold the transaction if you are sending. Okay, if you are sending, you are withdrawing from Coinbase, they're going to hold the transaction for 3 days, I think 72 hours before they finally release it. It's a security put in place. Sometimes we have no choice than to just comply, you know. So, okay, our next question, let's see. Next question, the tracking of account, is it for the purpose of trading or for all accounts? The tracking is for the purpose of the challenge. So everybody will go to have your own tracking link, like what I have now. Then you are going to post it, okay? You're going to post it to, I will still find a way of, if there's a way we can collate it also on FXBlue, but for now, let's do this. Just, you will post it, or once you post it, I will instruct one of my assistants, Flex will collate everything, all the URL, then we'll begin to track it. We'll begin to track it. Okay, so remember, it's a journey of 5 years. It's a journey of 5 years. And now I'm going to remove myself from the picture. But the first person now to get to that 1 million, let's put some fringe here. Actually, which gift would I even give to you after you have made 1 million? Somebody should suggest a gift. After you have made $1 million, you know, by yourself. It will allow international verification. I just did my, okay. Dr. Okata said it will allow. Okay, good. Chicken also say it takes about 13 days. Is that for what? For what is that, Chooks? So another, somebody said another 1 million. Another $1 million cash gift. So if you are the first person to get to 1 million, you are the first person, then I sponsor you to America, anywhere you are. Come and enjoy yourself for 1 week. So that is your gift right there. So anyway, this is to encourage all of us to kind of get motivated. Remember what we said, okay? Please don't trade with the money you can't afford to lose. We are starting with 1,000, okay? Our goal is to get to 1 million. Now, what if you don't get to 1 million, okay? Shoot to the moon. You don't get to the moon, you still land in the star, according to my favorite author, okay? Norman Vincent Peale. So now, but if you start with 1,000, I mean, we explain all of this. What if you are able to grow this to 10,000 in 1 year, which I believe some of us can do, even though over 97% of Forex trader makes less than 20%, okay, ROI in a year. Okay, that's just the fact. But if you follow the right strategy, just as we have analyzed, I want to believe that it's doable. It's doable. You are funding your account with 500 every month for the first time, 10 months. It's like you are investing into your own success. This changed the whole game all around, okay? This changed the whole game. So what if you cannot get to 10,000? What if you're able to grow your 1,000 to 5,000? If you are able to grow your 1,000 to 5,000, somebody should calculate the percentage here for us. if you calculate, this will be about, how many percentage is that return? About 5? Is it 500? 500% return on your investment. Okay, if you have this, what if you don't even get that? What if you are able to just raise your 1,000? As I've said this over and over to my students, what if you're able to get this to 1,200? Okay, in 1 year. That is 20% return on your investment. Most banks give you 1 to 1.5%. So now, if you are able to get 20%, I want you to change your mentality, to change your thinking. So if you are able to raise 1,000 to 1,002, and you have this tracking, the way we created now, and somebody, let's say Elijah now has $100,000 that he wants to invest, and he's discussing that in my presence, and he wants to go and put this money in bank. I can now approach Elijah and I say, you know what? Why would you want to keep your money where you will get 1%? I can give you 10%. I can give you 15%. Now, for you to say that, you already know that you can get 20%. You already know that you can get 40%. You already know that you can actually take this money, you can get 100% return on your investment. Okay? So if you know that you can do this, you can now approach Elijah and say, okay, give me this $100,000. I will trade it for you, and in 1 year, I will give you 20% on this money instead of the 1% you are getting in your bank. So Elijah agree with you, you sign your paperwork, either verbal or by agreement, and you start trading. If you know how to grow 1,000 to 2,000, you know how to grow 100 to 200,000. At the end of the 1 year, you give Elijah $120,000 that is agreed, because the agreement is for him to get the 20, and you pocket your 80,000. Now, this 80,000, what do you do with it? You cash it out. Once you cash it out, then, if you are a believer and you believe in tithe, this is not a church, but I'm a pastor, so you bring your tithe to me. So you take care of your tithe, you take care of your tax, you take care of your lines, your lifelines, okay? Your lifelines, your supporters. And that includes your wife, if you're a man. It includes your kids, and includes your friend that supports you. And include you. You treat yourself. Then, out of this 80, let's say about 20, 30 goes to that. Then the 50, you fund your account, and you diversify, and you start. So this is how to grow money, guys. This is how, if somebody say money doesn't grow on the tree, it's a lie. So after all, money is made with paper, with tree, and paper comes from tree. So once you understand what you are doing, so the concept, the ideology, and the idea by you trying to take 1K to 1 million is just for you to actually master what you are doing. Now, are we going to get to 1 million? It is possible. If you don't get there, you are still good, but at least understand how to trade and how to have highest return on your money. Okay? Once again, 80K we change stories. Yeah, Karim, it is a must that the account to be used for the challenge must be denominated in USD. Yes, we use a Naira account with a balance of $1,000 equivalent. So we are tracking with Naira. We are starting with $1,000 anyway. As I've said, if you can't use live account, use demo account. And once again, congratulations to who is our winner. Congratulations to Olushola Oladosu. Get in touch with me to get your gift, your cash gift. Thank you so much for supporting us. And you are watching us, you are connected with us. If you are on this presentation and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then you are our hater, you are not our lover. So don't let me pray against you. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it. Guys, let's just change the world. If we can't change the world, at least let's change ourselves. Okay? So tomorrow is 1st. Tomorrow is 1st of July. We are starting this. We are starting this fully. We are starting this fully, and you guys, my students, you know how we do it. We meet by 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. to kick the ball rolling with our London session. I've told you guys the strategy I'm going to be teaching. I'm going to be trading. And if you are there, you want someone that you can, lean on their shoulder to just learn. Hey, you can contact us. Our door is open. We're going to be opening door. And let's see for a minute. This weekend is July 4th. I think we can do some proof here. How many of you are on this presentation and you are not one of our my students right now? You are not in our mentoring group. And because I know a lot of people have been contacting that, okay, they want to join. Now, we'll be doing, you guys know, by now we raise our coaching fee to $5,000, okay? But for the spirit of freedom and for the sake of what we want to do, if you sign up today, www, I've not even set it up, I'm just saying it right now, okay? If you go to www.fxcertification.com, you can use, you can get 80% discounts today. Okay, 80% discount today, and then you can chat with me on WhatsApp. Okay, chat with me on WhatsApp to see how you can start benefiting this and give yourself that freedom gift. Okay, and let's just celebrate July 4th together. And if you live in Dallas, Fort Worth area, this weekend we are giving back to the community by giving away free food to 300 families. You are also welcome to join us. Last question before we share the grace. All right. We'll do a session on the sniper strategy. Yes, I'm still praying about it, but we'll do sniper. Okay. We'll do sniper. Okay, guys, happy new month in advance. Tomorrow is July 1st. Please keep staying safe, and I pray that God Almighty will keep you in the palm of his hand. The sickness of Egypt will not come near your home. In the mighty name of Jesus. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day.